ons vreugdemoment, niet van een ander, is ons feestje en die andere mensen komen met ons
I
mee.
spilled the ink across the page, trying to spell your name. So I fold it up and I flick it out, paper aeroplane. It hasn't flown the 7 seas to you, but it's on its way. It goes through the hands and to someone else to find you, girl. God said,